This high-precision cutting machine is designed for efficiently cutting various types of tape, including masking tape, double-sided tape, foam tape, and cloth tape. With a maximum cutting diameter of 600 millimeters, it ensures accuracy and consistency in every cut. For added flexibility, the machine offers two maximum material roll widths, constant on 1300 millimeters or 1600 millimeters. The LCD touch panel control provides a user-friendly interface for easy data settings and operation. An electrical loading platform can be integrated as an option, simplifying the process of log roll loading and unloading for improved efficiency. Optional features include a laser positioning device for accurate cutting point alignment, a front and rear frame structure that allows one operator to manage two machines for bulk production, and a grinding system mounted directly on the machine to streamline blade maintenance. For improved safety, a protective cover can also be added to ensure a secure working environment. Get in touch with us today for more details on this machine.